Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are considering Mango Display Calendar in 2026, this review is going to cover its key features, strengths, limitations, and who it's actually best for. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, Mango Display is a digital calendar and dashboard platform that can basically turn almost any screen into a family command center or information hub. Instead of buying the dedicated hardware, you can use the existing devices such as smart TVs, tablets, Fire TV devices, iPads, Windows PCs, and web browsers. The biggest strength of Mango Display is its flexibility. It is basically going to support Google, Apple, Microsoft calendars, allowing multiple schedules to be displayed in one place. You can also add the tasks, meal plannings, photos, weather information, a reminder, and other widgets in order to create the personalized dashboard. Now, another advantage is the device compatibility. Since it works on many of the existing screens, you can often set up a digital calendar without purchasing any expensive new hardware. Now, one of the positive sides of Mango Display is that Mango Display is highly customizable. It supports multiple platforms and it works well for both families and small businesses. It can also function as a calendar display, photo frame, dashboard, or digital signage solution. The main downside is that some of the advanced features require a subscription, and users that are looking for the dedicated touchscreen family calendar may find the setup process less straightforward than plug and play alternatives. So if you want a customizable digital calendar that works on the screens you already own, Mango Display remains a strong option in 2026. It's particularly useful for the families, home offices, and users who want more control over the dashboard layout rather than a fixed calendar experience. So if this video helped you understand the review, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.